Have you heard people saying load boards? Do you know how they make money using this tool? Let me show you. Before I show you how to use load boards, hey, if you don't know me, my name is Kamal. I teach people how to become independent freight dispatcher and make money in the transportation industry. Let's go.
Well, first of all, what is a load board? Load board is freight matching platform. Think about Amazon. If you need something, you go to Amazon and you type, for example, iPhone cases or white iPhone cases. And then when you hit search, there a lot of sellers will pop up with their products and you will pick that product and you buy it. Well, same thing happening here. Once I will log in and I will show you that freight brokers post loads for trucking companies. So you have seen these truckers on the road and you might ask yourself, well, how are they finding loads? Well, actually, they're finding those loads using load boards. Let's log in and I'll show you inside. Once you log in, this is what you see. On the left side, you will have these navigation links. On the right side is basically a quick snapshot what's happening nationwide, meaning national loads account. This is very straightforward. How many loads coming into the states and how many loads are going out of the states. The most important part here is searching for loads. So if you have a truck and you're searching for the loads, what you do, you click search and then you come up here and then this is where you will see all the loads. Freight brokers posting loads inside this load board and you will be searching for loads. I'll give you an example. If your truck located in Pelham, Georgia, for example, or let's say Atlanta, Georgia. Let's click Atlanta, Georgia, and this goes to, let's say, Houston, Texas. Most important aspect of this, and this is how this platform functions, it's basically you must give origin and the destination. You don't have to worry about anything. What are these partial loads or the results? The load requirements, search back, a company, private loads, book or bid, DHO. You don't have to worry about this, but basics are very important. Let's lay down the foundation and we build from there. Now, we have Atlanta, Georgia as an origin, and then we go to Houston, Texas, which is destination. DHO stands for deadhead origin. That means if we pick a load up here, how many miles we should drive to get that load. And another thing is DHO basically shows the empty miles. And this is very important for the truckers to know how many miles, empty miles specifically, driving so that we can get to the load and pick that load up and go and deliver. So same thing happening with deadhead destination. DHD means deadhead destination. Not all the time brokers posting loads in the Houston, Texas, but you want to see how many loads are being posted around Houston. This is why we put 150 miles. That means we're telling the load board saying, hey, show me the loads around Houston, 150 mile radius. That's equal to, let's say, empty miles. Well, I'm willing to drive about 150 miles to get that load, right? Or deliver that load. So then equipment type is basically what type of a trailer we're talking about. Load type is very straightforward. Are we going to pick full load up or the partials? Length of the trailer, usually what you will see is 53. Weight is very straightforward, but we'll put, we're not willing to pick more than 45,000 pounds. And then we will put the date, let's say today's date, and we will, let's say, and next week, Thursday. Okay, let me come back and we'll pick this up. There we go. Now, what we're going to do, click search and let's see what happens. And what will happen is the highest paying rates will pop up at the top. What you're going to do, you just pick this load and then you will just examine and see how many feet, how many pounds, what type of a truck, are there any specific comments or not? What you can do, you can email quickly to this broker saying, hey, I'm interested in this load. He will send back the information, and then he will ask the carrier information. You will give the carrier information, and then he will send you the rate confirmation. It's a piece of document that's saying, hey, I assigned this load to this carrier, and then your carrier will pick this load up and then goes and delivers, let's say in Houston, and you make your commission. And this is how the dispatchers make money using load boards.
There you go. That's how people use load boards in order to make money online in the transportation industry. Hey, if you like the video, please like, share, and comment. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification when I post videos like this. You won't miss it. And by the way, if you want to learn in-depth load board, there is a load board training. Watch this video, and I'll see you then.